Hey, so I'm about to walk into Vitamin Shop and get a refund or a credit on this brand of protein powder. Hopefully you can see it. Bought this in a pinch. Normally I get a combination of whey protein and casein protein because I like a combination of both fast and slow digesting proteins. And also whey protein isolate tends to put a foamy head on smoothies when you mix it in the Vitamix. That's one reason I didn't like it. But the reason I'm really going to return this is, unfortunately, I made a little bit of an error. I did see the word ripped in the title and thought that was a reference to the protein, which is sometimes marketed for weight loss, but it doesn't just have that. It does have a good amount of protein. One scoop of protein of this stuff has 30 grams of protein, which is a good amount. However, when I turn it over and I look at the supplement facts label, and you really can't see it, it's this stuff down below that grabbed my attention that I didn't see. One scoop has 500 milligrams of L-carnitine. L-carnitine is sometimes marketed for weight loss. The research, I think, is iffy at best, and if L-carnitine really does help people lose weight, it's probably only a couple pounds at best, so wouldn't be my go-to weight loss supplement if I was going to recommend one. But below that is what really grabbed my attention, and that is caffeine. 100 milligrams of caffeine per scoop, and caffeine, is a stimulant. I'm not a fan of it. And so I don't think it has a place in a protein powder. It's almost like they're trying to market this as a protein powder / pre-workout drink, but our story doesn't end there. Below the caffeine, I also see 100 milligrams of green tea extract. Number one, what extract of green tea are they using? Is it EGCG, which is epigallocatechin gallate, which is popular, or is it caffeine? Is caffeine, which is an extract in green tea, is that the extract being used? And then below that, I see guarana extract. It's got 50 milligrams of guarana extract. Again, what's the extract in guarana? Guarana is a source of caffeine. So are they using caffeine? Is that the extract? And then below that, I also see herbamate, which is 50 milligrams of herbamate. Herbamate is a stimulant, is an herbal ingredient. It has a good amount of caffeine in it as well. And so if I add up these numbers, theoretically 100, 100, and 50 and 50, technically 100, 200, this would technically have 300 milligrams of caffeine per scoop. They're not telling me the total amount of caffeine in this product. At least I can't see it when I'm looking at the ingredients label here. And so I'm not a fan of all these stimulants, and that is the reason why I'm returning this brand of protein powder. Again, I like the idea it's got whey protein isolate in it. That's fine, but all these other ingredients I'm not a fan of. Also, herbamate is a bit controversial, especially when you drink it hot. There is some reports out there linking herbamate tea to cancers of the throat and esophagus. So I don't think you're going to get that with a protein powder because it's cold when you drink a smoothie, for instance. But herbamate, again, it's another reason why it's not on my list. So I'm going to go into Vitamin Shop now and try to get a refund on this, or at least a store credit. So wish me luck.